For this walkthrough, even though we have 12 units, we've only registered 3 tenants, one in 2,200 Nuances and two in 2,100 St. Gabriel Street. What would you do if the tenant in the fourth floor under door number 11 requested to relocate to another available apartment? Or what if the two tenants in San Gabriel Street want to swap units? That's where the transfer tenant feature comes in. By clicking transfer tenant, you can choose between a contract move, which transfers both the tenant and the contract to an empty unit, or a tenant only transfer, which moves a tenant between existing contracts. Let's try the tenant only transfer option first. We first have to select the unit where we want to transfer our tenant from. Select the unit over San Gabriel Street. In this unit, we choose Josh Allen. Note that as destination unit, we can only choose units that currently have active contracts. Let's now try the other option, the contract move. Here we transfer both the contract and the tenant to all available empty units. For this example, let's select a unit on the Nueces Street. Select a tenant such as Randy Bossy and transfer both the tenant and their contract to an empty unit. As you can see, as available destination, we have all the units that are currently empty. Suppose we decided to move Randy from the fourth floor, door number 11, to the same building, but on the third floor with door number 12. The system validates that the target unit is empty and ready. As you can see, there are currently no active tenants in that unit. We can add a reason for the transfer, our personal notes in case we want to mention something, and select the transfer date. In the section below, we have a complete overview that shows exactly what will happen once we press the transfer tenant button. Once we click transfer tenant, the move is completed. Randy is now in the third floor, door number 12, with all contract details transferred. By double clicking on this unit, we can see the property details with the contract correctly transferred. When we also check the original unit on the fourth floor with door number 11, it is now empty. Visit Helona.co and simplify your property management today.